Airport Hub Visions, a place where airplanes are treated like VIP guests and the airport feels less like a workplace and more like a never-ending live show. This channel was created for those who are curious about what really happens beyond the terminal windows where massive aircraft roll in confidently, engines rumble like they have something important to say, and ground crews move with purpose, teamwork, and the occasional joke to survive long shifts. Here, every arrival feels like an event, and every departure is a small victory worth watching. At Airport Hub Visions, our job is simple on paper but exciting in real life. Welcome aircraft, guide them safely, prepare them for their next journey, and keep everything running smoothly while the world above flies on schedule. One moment we're focused and precise, giving hand signals that move thousands of tons of engineering, and the next moment we're smiling because it never stops being amazing that these giant machines actually listen to us. It's serious work, but there's always room for a laugh when you're surrounded by blinking lights, spinning turbines, and aircraft that seem to have personalities of their own. This channel captures those moments most people never get to see, the quiet satisfaction of a perfectly parked aircraft, the rhythm of night shifts that slowly turn into sunrise, and the energy of a busy ramp where something is always happening. You'll see the teamwork, the routines, the unexpected surprises, and the small details that make airport life so addictive. Sometimes it's loud, sometimes it's calm, and sometimes it's just a ground crew standing still for a second, admiring the sheer size and power of what just rolled in. What makes Airport Hub Vision special is the way we tell these stories, honestly, playfully, and with genuine love for the job. We don't try to make airport work look glamorous. It already is in its own way. Instead, we show it as it feels from the inside, busy, demanding, fascinating, and often surprisingly fun. There's pride in every task completed, humor in every long shift, and excitement every time another aircraft appears on the horizon. If you enjoy real aviation, big machines doing incredible things, and behind-the-scenes moments told with a smile, this channel is for you. Airport Hub Visions invites you to slow down, watch closer, and enjoy the rhythm of airport life, where the planes are huge, the work is real, and the passion never takes off duty.